Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop snaps from saving to camera roll on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings at the top right corner. This is where you control or Snapchat preferences. Scroll down and find memories. Tap it. Here you will see options for saving snaps automatically. Tap save to and choose my eyes only or do not save instead of camera roll. This will stop Snapchat from saving new snaps to your camera roll automatically. You can still save individual snap manually if you want, but your photos won't clutter your iPhone anymore. And that's it. Now your snaps stay private and your camera roll stays clean on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.